So I've decided to bite the bullet and spend the time and resources to create a sustainable homestead like I always wanted to. I've always grown things and had animals in the backyard, but I wanted to make it right this time. I wanted to make it more automated. For example, this flower bed, it was overgrown by weeds and I had easy access to any type of water. And you see this area is being wasted with weeds, and that big tree right there, right in the middle, that's an old Japanese plum tree which doesn't produce any good fruits anymore. So I want to use this area to grow plants in which we can use as food and also we can use as animal feed. So let's see how this works out. So I was using a different video recording setting on my camera, but I didn't like how it turned out. So here's a 5-second snapshot of what I did. I have two of these chainsaws that I bought from Walmart. One I paid $68, the other one $38. They've been great, but then this happened. The heck? Dang it. Now that the tree has been cut down, I'm going to need help from my good friend JD. This is JD and his trusty hand, the gravel.
I'm scared.
Now that I cleared the tree, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use the grapple forks to remove the ferns, the weeds, and the smaller trees to see if that works. this is how it looks like after I was done. I was able to accomplish a lot. And now my next step is to clear out the areas in which I couldn't reach with the tractor. I also have to work on getting water to this area, possibly removing that soursop tree, but I want to be careful because I want to keep that tree. As you can see, I removed the palm trees. The next step is to develop a game plan. So if you have any suggestions on what I should do or shouldn't do, please let me know. And until next time.